In this video, we are going to talk about content hubs. So what exactly is content hub and how this can help you gain more traffic using organic SEO. So we will find out all that in this video. Hi, my name is Ankit and welcome to Magazine 3 YouTube channel where we talk about everything related to WordPress. And if you want to learn more about that, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. So in our previous videos, we have covered how you can do keyword research so that you can start building content for your blog or for your website. Now, as we know that we are targeting long tail keywords in the beginning, so our future plan must be to target a very generic and a high search volume keyword, as we know that we cannot target that directly. So that's why we are targeting these long tail keywords. So by using all these long tail keywords, we will have a lot of content on our website, and then we can use all these various pieces of content to create a content hub. So let's try to understand this content hub using this diagram. So here you can see that we have a center element, and this center element is our main piece of content which is focusing on a very generic keyword, and this keyword can be a generic keyword which got a very high search volume, and this can be a competitive keyword as well. Now we will keep this in the middle as a pillar post and will write content about this generic keyword. Now as we are writing content on this generic keyword, there are various places where we want to refer our content that we have already written using our long tail keywords. So whenever we are creating this pillar post so that it can be the center of our content hub, so we need to refer various other articles on our website which we have written using all these long tail keywords. So as you can see in this diagram, our main pillar post or our main article will be at the center of this content hub, and various other articles that we want to point out are denoted as the cluster outside this main center. And these joining lines can be considered as the hyperlink which is connecting our main pillar post to all these articles which we have written using long tail keyword. So this pillar post as well as all these articles together make a content hub. Now, why you would want to create this content hub on your website? There are two reasons for that. Number one, it will be the best way to create interlinking on your website, and we know that interlinking plays a very vital role for search engine ranking. So if you want to do interlinking of your website content in a better way, then creating content hub could be a very good idea. And reason number two for creating content hub is that it will add a great value to your average time on page in Google Analytics. So as we are writing a very long post in form of this pillar post, then it will automatically going to increase the time on page. So it will give a good signal to the search engines that the content is relevant and the reader is engaging with that content. So let's talk about how you can create a content hub on your website. First, we need to select a topic or a keyword on which we can create our pillar post, and this topic can be a very generic keyword which got a high search volume, and this could be a very competitive keyword as well. Now once we have selected this topic, now we need to further decide what will be the subtopics or the subheadings under this main topic, and these subtopics or subheadings will be linking back to our other articles on the website. For example, let's say we consider the same wedding planner business, and our main topic is like ultimate guide for selecting a wedding planner, and here we will mention everything that one need to read about whenever they are trying to hire a wedding planner. Now once we have the main title as ultimate guide for wedding planner, now we need to decide what would be the subtopics. So let's say we further divide this main topic in subtopics like questions you need to ask before hiring a wedding planner, or how much a wedding planner should charge, and various other subtopics that you can think of which are directly related to your main title topic. And once you select all these subcategories or subheadings, then you can easily write your main pillar post, and then you can link the subheadings to your other articles that are present which got more detail about these subtopics or the subheadings that you have selected. So maybe you have a separate article or a blog post which covers what are the questions you need to ask before hiring a wedding planner, and you link that content in your main pillar post, and in the same way you link back various other articles in your pillar post, and that will make your complete content hub. So let's take another example of a yoga blog. So let's say we have the main title as how to treat migraine using yoga. Now this is a very competitive keyword. It got a very high volume in search, and this will be our pillar post title. Now we can further divide this title into subheadings or subcategories. So let's say we have different asanas to treat migraine. So we can write down the details about different asanas in this pillar post, and then we can link a separate page on our website which is talking in detail about this subheading, or in this example, a yoga asana which one need to do for curing migraine. So now you have the main title post, and you also have the subcategories and subtitle post for which your website got a separate piece of content, and you will be using those content to link to your main pillar post. And once you finish your pillar post linking to various other articles on your website, this combined will create your content hub. So that's all about the content hub. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to learn more about SEO for WordPress, then make sure you watch our complete playlist. The link is in the I button above or the video description below. And if you want to learn more about WordPress in general, then make sure you go ahead and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. So that's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next one.